Abdominal pain is not harmful in most situations, but on the contrary side, in some cases, it may be a sign of severe disease. If you know to identify the exact location of the pain in your abdomen, you can actually diagnose what is the disease that you are suffering from. This is still not enough to do. In order to have confirmation for your predictions, it is important that you consult your doctor for fixing this problem. Strong abdominal pain in almost every situation means that you are suffering from a severe disease. Even if your stomach pain is not strong but lasts for a long, you need to pay attention because you may suffer from a chronic disorder that needs to be treated instantly. It is obvious to feel your stomach hurt from time to time, but when the same type of abdominal pain lasts for more than 2 weeks, you should immediately see your doctor. If this is not the case, it is still a good thing to take routine control, so that you make sure that your mild abdominal pain is not related to a serious disorder. Abdominal pain, when signaling a severe disease in the body, may be accompanied by other unpleasant side effects as well, such as blood in the stool, diarrhea, vomiting, or long swell. Find out the reason why your stomach hurts. The below image is like the map of your abdomen, and depending on different areas of the stomach, you can easily discover what is wrong. 1. Area number 1 indicates a high chance of gallstones. In this situation, you can't exclude inflammation of the pancreas or stomach ulcer either. 2. Epigastric hernia, inflammation of the pancreas, gallstones, indigestion, heartburn, or stomach ulcers is your key risk if you feel pain in area number 2. 3. Area number 3 in the stomach is related to people suffering from bile duct blockage, pancreatic problems, duodenal ulcers, and gastric ulcers. 4. It is almost sure that you have kidney stones if you feel pain in area number 4. Lumbar hernia, constipation, and urinary tract inflammation are 3 other risks you, unfortunately, can't exclude in this situation. 5. Area number 5 indicates umbilical hernia, Crohn's disease, inflammation of the large intestine, the initial stage of appendicitis, stomach ulcer, or pancreas. 6. Pain felt in area number 6 signals diverticular disease, inflammatory bowel disease, constipation, and kidney problems. 7. When you complain about the pain encountered in area number 7, it means that you may be suffering from pelvic problems, appendicitis, or constipation. 8. Area number 8 indicates inflammatory bowel disease, appendicitis, and inflammation of the urinary tract. 9. Finally, you may be suffering from an inguinal hernia, gynecological problems, or diverticular disease, if you constantly feel pain in area number 9 of your stomach. It is very important that you go through these 9 areas of the abdomen and meditate on them when your stomach pain lasts for too long or the pain is severe. Consulting with your doctor as soon as possible in this case is a good thing because you have high chance to save your life from the worst things.